Preparing and capturing images. In this demo, I'll show you how to prepare a Windows image before capturing it. This can help you save time when you're deploying Windows to many computers. You'll need the Windows PE USB drive to boot the computer. You'll also need a separate USB drive to store the image. I'll set up my storage drive first. I'll format it using the NTFS file system because NTFS lets you store large files like the Windows image that we're about to capture. Okay, let's go back to the reference computer. In the previous demo, I reinstalled Windows 8 and booted the computer into audit mode. When you boot into audit mode, SysPrep will be running on the desktop. You use SysPrep to prepare the image. The first thing I do is set the computer to boot to UBI, so when my customers boot the computer, they can personalize the computer and enter the product key. Then, I'll set the computer to shut down automatically. Next, I make sure the image will be generalized. This is required when you want to put the Windows 8 image onto a different computer. It helps Windows identify the new hardware when Windows boots for the first time. When I click OK, SysPrep generalizes the image. This removes the computer's hardware-specific information. When SysPrep is done, the computer will shut down. Now, let's plug in the Windows PE drive and the storage drive. I'll need to power up the computer and press a key to go into the boot menus. Be careful here, because you don't want to boot back into Windows 8 just yet. If that were to happen, you'd have to go back into audit mode and generalize the image again. When Windows PE boots, check to see what the drive letters are for the Windows partition and the storage drive. Next, capture the image from the Windows partition. Save it to the USB storage drive and give it a unique description. This will be used later when you need to identify the image you are applying. The image is being captured now. I'll show you how to apply this image in the next demo.